For 400 years, science has insisted that Earth is cosmically ordinary. But what if that fundamental assumption is wrong? What if Earth is special? New research is revealing something that's making astronomers deeply uncomfortable. The 12 constellations, the cosmic microwave background, the distribution of galaxies, they all appear perfectly aligned. And that alignment only makes sense from one location, ours. Since Copernicus, we've operated under the assumption that Earth is just another rock, orbiting just another star in just another galaxy. Nothing special. However, when we actually measure what we see, something doesn't add up. New data suggests the cosmos is aligned in ways that center on Earth. The foundation of modern cosmology is something called the Cosmological Principle. This principle states that the universe looks roughly the same from every point. There are no special locations and no privileged observers. Every model of the universe, every calculation of its age and size, assumes this principle is true. It is the bedrock of modern cosmology. But now, let's look at the constellation problem. The measurements contradict the foundational principle. The ancient constellations, used by our ancestors, appear precisely configured only from Earth's vantage point. From Mars, these patterns are distorted. From another star, they're unrecognizable. Next, let's look at the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, which is the oldest light in the universe. In 2023, researchers found an axis running through the cosmos, dubbed the axis of evil, and it points directly at Earth's position. Scientists assumed this was an instrument error, but after launching new satellites and recalibrating everything, the alignment remained. Then came the galaxy distribution studies. What anomalies did astronomers find when mapping billions of galaxies? Instead of the expected randomness, they found massive filaments and voids that shouldn't exist if the cosmological principle holds true. These structures are oriented in ways that make Earth's location appear geometrically significant. These are not fringe ideas. The findings are forcing physicists to ask an uncomfortable question. What if our understanding of reality is flawed? The question is whether the universe is truly homogeneous, or if Earth's position isn't as random as we assumed. We may be witnessing a scientific paradigm shift toward the recognition that our cosmic address might be statistically improbable, perhaps even unique. The universe, it turns out, may have been looking back at us all along. Our ancestors believed the stars were arranged for them. We dismiss this as primitive thinking. But what if they sense something we're only now measuring? Maybe Earth is the center, and that from here, the cosmos reveals its structure with perfect clarity. That's profound.